Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today we're going to draw a new bird which has a very long neck and long legs. Let's keep it simple. So, first of all, we'll try to draw the letter S like this. And under S, we'll draw number 4. This is a simple step for beginning. The top of S will become the long neck of the bird. So let's start drawing the neck here. Wow, it's getting visible. The more the drawing progress, the more we can understand about the feature, what we're going to do, what we're going to draw. So this is the head. I put a eye here, doing a little more detailing. This is the body. We're going to draw the body now here, and this is the tail. Tail. Little detailing inside the body. And number 4, it's going to be the long leg. Usually this bird catch fish or stand with long leg on a surface which has a little water on it. I think that's it. The drawing is done. So if we want to make it more pleasant, we can more do little detailing here. We can put the shades on. Let's put the shades here. The neck is really very long. I always like the detailing because it makes the drawing alive. It seems the bird is just in front of me. This is the water line. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like the video, and put a bell icon on so that you can get notified when the new video comes. Thank you so much. Have a good day.